gonna be completing speedrun missions. However, as many as possible. Let's go. It'll take a little bit to load, so yeah. And there's also a Christmas event, so we can check that out too. Okay, it's about to start. Yeah, it's gonna. Okay, let's go. First, we gotta check out our missions. So let's just see missions. Score 4,000 points without any coins. Roll 50 times while on the mid lane. Pick up 5,000 coins. We might have to buy some of these, but let's check this out, guys. Roll 50 times. Let's try that. We're on the mid lane. Getting 5,000 coins as we speak. Oh no, we can't roll here. Just roll, just roll, just roll. Just roll, just roll, just roll, just roll. Yeah. I also just kind of like rolling, so don't think. Just make clarifying, because if I roll on the other lanes, it's not because I don't know that I won't work there for the missions. Yeah, I just like rolling. Don't judge me. Does being on the trains count, like on the middle lane? I actually don't know. Oh, it's a little bit laggy. Got a coin meter reward. Why are there so many trains coming? Okay, let's go. I don't really like those sneakers, so we're gonna avoid those. Come on, I must have rolled at least 50 times. Like, what? If, I'm gonna, oh, I crashed anyways. But I'm gonna check now. I'm gonna check now. If there, how much times did I roll? 35 times. Bruh. Okay, let's just complete that now, bro. Okay, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, yes. Oh, never mind, that was the side lane. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yeah, we did it, guys. Let's go. We did it. Now we're just gonna check. Okay. Now we just need. Let's do this. Okay, guys, we got the star. This is got that snowy flake. Oh, I missed it. And the W. Well, let's end this with this jetpack. A good jetpack to finish things off. Okay, guys, thank you for coming, and please subscribe and visit my channel again. Let's crash.